Guys, today we're in another video of BrookHaven, the new updates of the new cars that have arrived into the game. And let's wait for them to appear very quickly. Here, the biggest car in the game. This is the most insane car on BrookHaven ever. It's huge. Oh my. What did that guy say? I don't know. Look how massive this thing is. I'm gonna hawk my word. I'm gonna flicker my lights at them. It's a massive egg car with massive wheels. This thing can go up anything, no problem. Like, this is an insane car. Please, what are they talking about? Can I? Oh my god, none of my other cars can make it up this thing. This thing can make it up there. All my cars can make it up here, but they can't make it up this slope. Come on, come on. Yeah, they always fall, my other cars, like this one. This one just fell too. Okay. Even though I can't get up here, the wheels on this thing are bigger than me. Look at this. The wheels are bigger than me. They're huge. They're huge. No one steal my car. I'm getting out. Hold on. Oh, good thing she got in. This happened again. I hate this. Please, please, I don't want to be stuck. Yes. Oh, thank God, I got out of that. That was so annoying. Jump. Oh my God, imagine that happening in real life. Your car would be just, you could sit on the top. How many seats does this car have? It's got 6 seats inside and like 2 seats up here. Maybe one on the fin. Who knows? Yeah. Oh my, this is the little big car. I just demolished it. Oh, I picked someone up. I'm stealing them. What just happened? How did they get in my car? That's insane. That's literally insane. I kind of got stuck a little bit. Oh, wait, there we go. I'm out. This car's huge. It's like, so it says the egg hunt. All the new cars are shaped like an egg. It's kind of funny. This car, look, let me just show you that this car does not fit in a lane. You need to take up 2 lanes. It's too big. There's this glitch where you can get this car for literally, you don't have to collect any eggs. You just get it for free. You just click on it and then you have it. I don't think anybody knows that because I don't see anybody else with this car. Can I just... He's trying to stop ramming me, please. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. This car is really, really fast. Ow! No. Get out of here. Get out of here. Why are my lights on? They're off now. I think this thing can, like, easily not fit in the garage. Yeah, there's no way this is gonna fit in the garage. I don't even think that green one. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta try this with the house very quickly. Hold on. This looks huge. I gotta try this, like, no, something that has a big garage. This house has a pretty big garage. Let's see if I can even fit in it. Let's open up my garage. Hold on. It's not opening. Still not opening. There we go. How? Oh my God. How do I get in? How do I get in? How do I get in? This car doesn't fit. This car doesn't fit. Oh my God. Let's try one size smaller. This one. This one's one size smaller. It's only got, I think, 1 seat here. Maybe more seats. I think There's only, there's a couple more seats. And I wonder if you can actually get up. I wonder if all these cars you can get on top. No. Okay, I hope this one lets me in. Okay, this one actually lets me inside the house. Okay, we know that now. I still want the big one though because I can easily demolish people because it's so big. I don't even know if I can fit in one of those big ones. I can fit in one of the big ones, but this is Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Why does it have to be shaped like an egg so that it can easily tumble? Oh no, 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 don't get in my car. Don't you dare think about it. Don't even think. No. 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 Oh, that was weird. No! Oh, thank God. I didn't get in my car. Let's just try to drive through this. Try to drive through this water here. Go! Come on, they gotta make a submarine soon. I want them to make a sea, make a submarine, and I also want them to add planes to this game too. That would be very, very fun. Very fun. Like, I would be flying all day. And I want them to make it free, not like this where you have to pay 799 Robux. No. I want it to be free. No premium, nothing. I just want them to add those soon, because that would be very, very fun. Oh my god! I can fit in these lanes fine. It's still kind of big for these lanes though. Oh my god, this is so... Oh, I wonder if I can fit in this guy's garage. No, if I couldn't fit in that one, there's no way I can fit in these ones. Yeah. I'm gonna honk my horn. I wonder if they hear this. Please don't tell me their volume's on low, because this is a very quiet honking noise. This is what it sounds like when your volume's low. Yeah. By the way, I finished Bloxy Awards. I got all the awards you can ever get in Bloxies. These two haven't said anything yet. Just, you rob me safe. Hold on. Lock. That thing's off. And anyways, that's the end of the video. And I hope you like this video. Leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, you can go play BrookHaven yourself and check out this new egg update. It's pretty cool. See you later.